So what are you doing, Sam?
Filling a hole.
What are you filling a hole for?
I don't want a hole.
Where'd you get that? Are you stealing from kids to make a car again?
Apparently so, yeah.
Oh. So, do you want to give a rundown of what it is you're actually doing to the car? What's the plan?
To be here. So
No, the whole thing. Like, what's the plan? So what was it? It used to be a Jetta, it's now a bit of metal.
you can do the rundown.
I'll do a rundown. So, what we're going to do is cut it up and weld it up again. And there's some low points. This car was a little bit low, so you can see here that got plated because that was wearing out, because the arms, you're looking at the side of the vehicle like that, the side of the arms are quite low on the front, so they act like this scoop that you'd get like on a plough, and that hits the ground first, and it's very horrible and it's very noisy. And these bits are low, as you can see as well. Those bits are low as well, so we're going to cut them out and fettle them a little bit, and fettle the rear axle and lift them up a little bit, put some drop plates on, raise the engine and some other bits and pieces, maybe play with the towers a little bit and get it all a bit higher. So at the moment Sam is cutting some cardboard, which is then going to transfer to metal. There you go, see, perfect. And then you're going to weld it on and slowly piece it back together. I did run this car for 7-8 years at least, so it's got our lovely salty roads to thank for. Not too bad, there's still some clean bits in it, so all the run repairs it had, it was just the typical places and didn't get sealed or anything in reality to keep it going. So yeah, we're going to do that and get it all nice and tidy. So some more footage of Sam. There we go, right in there, perfect. It's a good job Sam's got dirty hands. Saves on felt tips. Oh, cool. Sam was always got good marks in arts and crafts, didn't you, in school? Ta-da! And no one will ever know. And if there's any holes, you can just put tissue paper and filler in, and nobody cares. Because if you can't see it, they can't do you for it. Yeah, crazy action. Sam's welding that. Huh?
Middleton is our guest on the countryside hour this week.